Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can add a hyperlink in your Google Docs. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.docs.google.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official page of Google Docs. So once you're here, you need to simply select the project you want to work on, and once you open the project, all you need to do is select a space where you want to add a link. So once you select a space or select a sentence of your preference, simply press on it, or you can also just press on a space that you find suitable to place the hyperlink. So now to copy the link, you can go in any website like YouTube or any third-party apps and just select the URL of your preference and then simply click on the insert link option, and then you can simply insert your link on the apply link option and give it a title. So in this way you can add a hyperlink on your Google Docs. Once you press the link, it will then divert you to the link you have copied from the third-party apps or website. So this is how you add hyperlink on Google Docs. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.